Is your roof still crying out for help after last year's hailstorm? No need to worry anymore. Viking Contractors LLC is here to help you out. Our team of experts is in your area providing free roof inspections on a first-come, first-served basis. And the good news is, if we find any damage that requires a full roof replacement, your insurance company might foot the bill, with you only having to pay the deductible. At Viking Contractors LLC, we pride ourselves on being the roof-checking pros. With years of experience and a proven track record of success, we don't just inspect the roof and leave. We'll be with you every step of the way and even check your roof periodically to make sure everything is still looking great. Our free roof inspections are vital because hail and wind damage can cause major issues for your home's performance and value. Sometimes, damage isn't visible to the naked eye, which is why it's important to have someone with experience take a closer look. So what are you waiting for? Get your free roof inspection now and get complete peace of mind. Remember, if your roof needs repair or replacement, the only out-of-pocket expense is your insurance deductible. Viking Contractors LLC makes it easy and affordable for you.